Hey learners, welcome to my channel guys. Pranshi Burma this side, and in today's video we are going to learn REEE 081. This is your electrical branch subject. Subject name is Power Quality and Facts. So according to this, your unit 5 is harmonics. Okay. So in this video we are going to learn harmonics multiple choice question and answer for your upcoming examination. Guys, they all are very important for your examination, as well as they are model based question and answer. So most of the chances है इन questions के आने के, but आप सभी जानते हैं AKTU एग्जामिनेशन का क्या कोई भरोसा नहीं है, किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ जाए, कहाँ से आ जाए. तो प्लीज़ आप अपने सिलेबस पर फोकस कीजिए, अपने सिलेबस में जो टॉपिक्स हैं उन पर भी फोकस कीजिए, एज वेल एज मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर पर भी फोकस कीजिए. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन. इन दिस योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज state whether the statement given is true or false. The statement is harmonics are aperiodic in nature. Is true or false? Is false. Right option is option B, false. Next question. If the fundamental frequency is 60 Hz, then seventh harmonic frequency is option A, 420, option B, 210, option C, 800, 8.57, option D, 60. Right answer is option A, 420. Next question. Blank space refers to the individual frequency elements that comprise a composite waveform. Option A, harmonic sequence. Option B, individual harmonic distortion. Option C, total harmonic distortion. Option D, harmonic number. According to this, your right answer is option D, harmonic number. Next question. The harmonic number 0 represent blank space of the waveform. Option A, the constant or DC component. Option B, fundamental. Option C, 50 Hz. Option D, 60 Hz. Right answer is option A, the constant or DC component. So the harmonic number 0 represent the constant or DC component of the waveform. Next question. Uneven current to draw between the positive and negative halves of one cycle of operations can generate blank space harmonics. Option A, odd. Option B, even. Right answer is option B, even. So, uneven current to draw between the positive and negative halves of the one cycle of operations can generate even harmonics. Okay, next question. Subharmonics have frequencies blank space. The fundamental frequency. Option A, below. Option B, above. Option C, same as. Option D, exactly half of. Right answer is option A, below. So subharmonics have frequencies below the fundamental frequency. Next question. Subharmonics in the system are present due to presence of blank space. Option A, only R. Option B, only L. Option C, R and C. Option D, L and C. Right answer is option D, L and C. Next question. The fundamental frequencies have a blank space sequence. Option A, positive phase. Option B, negative phase. Option C, 0. Option D, forward phase. Right answer is option A, positive phase. The fundamental frequencies have a positive phase sequence. Next question. Which of the following is not the harmonic frequency if the fundamental has 20 Hz of frequency? Option A, 100 Hz. Option B, 150 Hz. Option C, 200 Hz. Option D, 80 Hz. Right answer is option B, 150 Hz. Next question. If the system has fundamental frequency of 50 Hz and is balanced with all parameters point of view, then which of the following harmonic frequency does not get produced? Option A 100 Hz, option B 150 Hz, option C 250 Hz, option D 450 Hz. Right answer is option A 100 Hz. Next question. Eighth harmonic is negative sequence harmonic is true or false? Is true. Next question. 12th harmonic is option A positive sequence harmonic, option B zero sequence harmonic, option C subharmonics, option D negative sequence harmonic. Okay, according to this, right answer is option B zero sequence harmonic. Next question. Does the magnitude of phase shift angle change the phase sequence order of the harmonics? Is yes. Option B is no. Option C can't say. Right answer is option B no. Next question. The RMS value of the third harmonic current in a nonlinear load is 20 ampere. The RMS value of the fifth harmonic current is 15 ampere. And the RMS value of the fundamental is 60 ampere. Then the individual third harmonic distortion is option A 25%, option B 100%, option C 33.3%, option D 66%. Right answer is option C 33.3%. Next question. What is the total harmonic distortion of a voltage waveform with a fundamental harmonic frequency voltage equal to 114 volt, third harmonic frequency voltage equal to 4 volt, fifth harmonic frequency voltage equal to 2 volt, and seventh harmonic frequency voltage is equal to 1.5 volt, and ninth harmonic frequency voltage is equal to 1 volt. According to this question, your option A is 4.23%, option B 4.32%, option C 3.42%, option D 2.43%. Right option is option A 4.23%. Next question. Which of the following is true for this statement? The statement is conductor or a body of conductors in intimate contact with earth for the purpose of providing a connection with the ground. Option A ground loop, option B ground grid, option C ground electrode, option D ground ring. Right option is option C ground electrode. Next question. System of interconnected wire conductors arranged in a pattern over a specified area and buried below the surface of the earth is called as option A ground grid, option B ground loop, option C ground ring, and option D ground electrode. According to this, option A is right option. This is ground grid. Next question. Ground loop is potential detrimental loop formed when two or more points in an electrical system that are nominally at ground potential are connected by a conducting path such that either or both points are not at the same ground potential. Okay, so option A is true and option B is false. Right option is option A, true. Next question. Ground ring should be at a depth below the surface of the earth of not less than blank space ft. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 2.5, option D 3. Right answer is option C 2.5 feet. Okay. Next question. The copper conductor not smaller than hash blank space AWG used as ground ring. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. यहाँ पर हैश यूज किया गया number of AWG used as ground ring. Okay, So according to this, right answer is option B, 2. So the copper conductor not smaller than 2 AWG used as ground ring. Next question. Blank space is the conducting connection by which an electrical circuit or equipment is connected to the earth or to same conducting body of relatively large extent that serves in place of the earth. Option A, grounding. Option B, bounding. Option C, isolation. Option D, coupling. Right answer is option A, grounding. Next question. Sinusoidal component of a period wave having a frequency that is an integral multiple of the fundamental frequency is the option A, flickering. Option B, harmonics. Option C, distortion. Option D, deviation. Right answer is option B, harmonics. Next question. Blank space is a short duration over voltage event with certain rise and fall characteristics. Option A, impulse. Option B, notch. Option C, acceleration. Option D, flicker. Right answer is option A, impulse. Impulse is a short duration over voltage event with certain rise and fall characteristics. Next question, blank space of a circuit is important for determining the characteristics of impulse voltage transients and waveform notches. Option A, mutual inductance. Option B, self-capacitance. Option C, capacitance. Option D, self-inductance. Right answer is option D, self-inductance. Okay guys, now see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.